Hey there, developers! Welcome back to Miss Tech. If you're tired of staring at the same old default look in Dev C++, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize and change the theme in Dev C++ to make it easier on your eyes and a bit more exciting to use. Let's jump right into it. I have already uploaded a video on how to install and download Dev C++, so feel free to check that out if you have any problems with downloading or installation. Method 1. After the installation, double-click on the Dev C++ application to open it. A setup window will appear. Select your preferred language and click Next. In the next step, you'll be able to select your preferred font, color scheme, and theme. Choose any combination that suits your style. Once done, click Finish, and your Dev C++ will launch with the new theme applied. Method 2. Open Dev C++ and create a new source file by clicking on File, then on New, and then on Source File. Go to the menu bar and click on Tools, then select Editor Options. In the window that opens, navigate to the Colors tab. Click on Select Theme, browse through the available options, and choose the one you like. Click OK to apply the changes, and that's it. Now you can use Dev C++ with a fresh, personalized look that's both functional and visually appealing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Miss Tech for more awesome tech tips. See you in the next video.